If you're buying a home, you'll be glad that you watched this important video. Buying a home is filled with emotions and excitement, and sometimes fear. It is one of the biggest investments that people make. In this video, we're going to discuss the secrets of how to find and buy the best home for you. I'm going to show you how to avoid the common mistakes that are often made that can cost homeowners thousands and thousands of dollars. And unfortunately, sometimes this can result in buying the wrong home. Let's discuss how to buy the right home for you. First, it's important to establish a price range. There's no sense in wasting your time looking at homes above or below your price range. We can help you get access to the very best financing. These can be special home loans that we have access to with the lowest interest rates, the lowest monthly payments, and the lowest down payment. Having your pre-approved financing in place enables you to carry a big stick and negotiate from a position of strength so that you get the best home at the best price possible. To get started with the pre-approval process, please call us or text us with the number below so we can begin with a free phone consultation for you. This is not a sales call. This is an important first step that you take before working with an agent. Now, after we help you secure the best financing and have established your price range, we will get your detailed home buying criteria, including location and important home features. Then we next begin the search for your perfect home. Many agents go about this the wrong way. They pick 6 to 8 homes for their buyers and hope that the buyer buys one of them. Instead of taking away the control, we give you control. We provide priority access to all of these homes. This includes distressed homes, bank foreclosures, company-owned properties, vacant homes, for sale by owners, recently reduced price homes. We also provide you exclusive access to homes not publicly listed for sale. Yes, some of the best homes never make it to the open market. After you tell us exactly what you're looking for, we go into those neighborhoods and search for your perfect home. We help you beat out other buyers to the best deals. Our goal is to find that perfect match for you. Now, the way to begin the process is with a free phone consultation. First, let's determine what you're looking to achieve and make sure that it's the right move for you and your family. A free phone consultation allows us to learn more about you and your moving plans. At this time, we can get you approved for the best home loan. The phone consultation and home loan pre-approval is free of charge. You are never, ever obligated to do anything at all. You can call or text us at the number below to get started. Now, once we find you that perfect home, you will benefit from our experience and specialized knowledge as we negotiate all of the terms on your best behalf, including negotiating the lowest price, your desired possession date, what is included with the home, and any repairs that need to be completed at the owner's expense. We will make sure that you're protected by adding important clauses into the offer. For example, it could be a home inspection clause to ensure that the home doesn't have any problems with the electrical, roof, air conditioning, or a variety of other things that are unacceptable to you. Perhaps you have a home that you actually also need to sell. We will explain to you the best options on how to time these transactions so that you don't get stuck owning 2 homes or no home at all. We have your back through all negotiations and even after closing your home. We are always here to be an important referral source to you, to also provide local contractors and services. We are here to make your home purchase a smooth and worry-free transaction. One of the common buyer mistakes is waiting too long to start your home buying process. Don't wait until the last minute to get started. It's better to start your home buying process too early rather than too late. We would recommend starting the process 4 to 5 months before so that you can avoid making mistakes, especially if you currently own a home. This gives you the option to sell it for the highest price and align your moving dates so you have a smooth transaction. We recommend that you begin with the free phone consultation to provide you with the information that you need as a home buyer. We do offer that totally free and never an obligation to purchase a home. Rest assured, there is no pressure or sales pitch. We want to make sure that this is the right time and certain for you to purchase a home. And if that makes sense for you to do so, we can discuss what you're comfortable with on house payments so you know exactly what price range you're looking for. What I'd encourage you to do is just have a quick phone consultation with us at no cost and no obligation. Just reach out to us at the number that you see below. Let's just set up a time for a 10-minute phone call to move you forward in the home buying process. There's absolutely no commitment whatsoever. You can move forward and access the helpful information that you need. You're also able to get the guidance that's going to be helpful and to determine if now or later is the right time for you to get started. Call or text us at the number that you see here, and we will have a free phone consultation with you. I think that you're going to find it extremely helpful and educational, giving you a better understanding on how the home buying process can work for you and how to get access to the best homes available. Reach out at the number below and let's make your moving dreams a reality. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.